ho na ehɔ na omampani John Dramani Mahama ede atudwa se afia ye besim afim pimie no ne adwunu nsia no wode hyehye bi bebe no eye own a home project no ekyere se obeye fiewura wa obenya ofie de uti ato eno no eye de aban ede hyehye eba na afibi odi sika 500 million Ghana cedis ebe se oman no ye budget ni mu na aba beye dwuma na omanfo eho han wo mu yenhwe ho amane.
But there's more good news for Ghanaians. In the 2026 budget, government has allocated $500 million cedis for housing, for district housing. And so every year from 2026, 2027 to 2028, 500 million cedis is going to be allocated each year. So over the next 3 years, 1.5 billion cedis is going to be put into the district housing scheme and what we call Own a Home project. Now, these projects are going to be opened to Ghanaian workers, teachers, nurses, doctors, civil servants, public servants. This project is going to be open to you. We're going to build the houses, and any worker who is interested, you will pay a 25% deposit, and you'll be given the key to the house. And you pay the cost of the house over 15 to 20 years.